Alright, morning guys. Today's video is a windscreen cowling replacement. If you don't understand my accent, this plastic bit here. So as you can see with mine, this is another place where you can get water into your car from. Because what happens is it gets hot, fades and dries up, and then starts to warp and lifts away from the windscreen. And then they reckon, like here, you can see quite a big gap there. I reckon that the water actually runs down through the middle and then into the outside air vent for your aircon and stuff like that. So I'm going to be changing that today because I don't like water inside my car. Should be another quick one for you. So these are just a little dust cap, so they should just pop off like so. And then looks like, I'd say a 14mm, 13mm nut. 13mm. Oh yeah. So we're just going to crack that nut off. And then hopefully these arms are free. I do like to seize on, in which case I recommend soaking them in CRC or something for the night and then trying in the morning. But for now I'm just gonna try my luck. Another good thing to do is paint pen the orientation of your wiper arm so that you don't have to worry about trying to line it all up afterwards. Well, these can be tight to get off, so I recommend screwing the nut back on a few threads. Oh, made that look hard. And then you just need to wobble. Before I sit there too long wobbling it, might just try and shock load it a little bit with a couple of hammers. Yeah, that worked a treat. So the other thing you're going to notice is the wiper arms are spring loaded, so once you do get it free, it's going to want to fight you the whole way off. So just get your other arm, hold it back, and then hold this square. Nice. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Alright, so both windscreen wipers are off. Obviously it's the exact same process for you people in America. Your windscreen wipers are just going to be in the opposite position. You're just going to pull this trim off. As far as I'm aware, it's just your normal clips that Land Rover runs on everything that holds this into place. So actually I should probably just check on this. Yeah, so just your normal clips, your pop clips. So I'm just going to go around now, pop all the clips free, and then slide the cowling off. This is the vent that you can get your water into. So yeah, obviously the cowling lifts up and heats. If you go through like a water crossing or something, the water, or heavy rain, the water will come underneath the cowling where it's supposed to seal against the window. And if you're driving or whatever, it can just blow straight into there apparently, so they reckon. Now if I ever have any dramas with my aircon not sucking air, I'll just come and find out where that tape's disappeared to. Right, let's lift the cowling on. Might just give that window a quick clean while I'm here, since it doesn't normally get the chance. And that's the finished, getting tongue tied, it's still early in the morning. That's the finished project. Nice quick easy one for you guys again. Just going to put these window wipers back on, and I'm going to line them up, which is why I've done the paint pen marker. Line them up with my little paint pen line there, and hopefully don't have to do any messing around with getting them all set up properly again. Alright, so that's the fan cowling done. Looks 10 times better than before. I'd just like to mention that I got this cowling from Land Rover Parts Accessories Australia through Leo. They don't have a web page, but pretty much just use word of mouth. And yeah, the cheapest I could get this for in Australia was around $480, and I managed to get it delivered to my door through them for $218. So highly recommend using them. And they personally dropped it off as well. So yeah, can't beat that. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch ya.